Softengine has also helped us with best practices, things that we were doing one way, and Softengine showed us another way to do that.
Softengine has the staff in order to accommodate and help us with those building blocks.
What's really great about Softengine is that we have that peace of mind of knowing that we have the back-end support that we need at any moment's notice.
Softengine is helping us to integrate what we need together. At the same time, also tailor-make what we want. Having this opportunity to work with Softengine, we are able to understand what it's going to take to better service our customers, to give our suppliers.
Softengine has been helpful in helping us advance the quality of our user experience over time, and the communication with Softengine has continued to improve dramatically since the beginning of our relationship.
Softengine has been unbelievably talented with their SAP knowledge, a bunch of different personalities, and they've done a great job of working with us, working through our challenges, working through our issues to find solutions.
So the Softengine consultants were here, worked through Christmas break. They were with us nonstop for the first 4 weeks of implementation. It was evident that they were just as invested in the process as we were, and they did a good job taking care of us.
Really helps us as a service department, so that way we can work anywhere, at any time, in any language, and really provide the best service to our customers worldwide.
In our industry, innovation, change, and improvement is a necessity. We need software like SAP Business One and a consultant partner like Softengine to make this happen and stay ahead of our competition.